done. Now let's do our stays page. Let's go. Here I got my CSS, my HTML. We need to create a new file right there. Let's call it listings. All of our property listings, listings.html. Skills. Let's go to index.html. Copy everything. Copy everything. Copy. Go to your listings and paste. Paste it all in there. Let's go ahead and link the two. So I added this. That's all you got to do. Listings.html right here in our nav bar, and then even in our indexed. If you haven't already, let's go listings.html right here. Boom. As you can see, this is our home page, and this is the one that's active. So looking on our, this is the design we made, active. So what we're gonna do is you can go to our listings, and now on our listings page, we want that to be active. Save, take it off the home page. Okay, now what we're gonna do is under container, let's keep container. And so from H1 all the way down to, we want to keep the footer. And this closes the container right there. Keep the footer, keep all of that. Just above that footer, delete. All right, we got container here, footer, div, sweet. We can go ahead and save it. Now let's click stays, and let me check. Listings. Oh, I got listing right here, so we need the S. Good, save. All right, let's get my live up. All right, so now we see home, now stays. All right, this is what we got with our stays. Okay, so let me check this out. Listings, perfect, we got our container. I got the logo. I'm looking at why is that background picture still there on our stays page. All right, so let's go to our CSS. Boom, boom. Header, that's where our picture is. Let me go check my listings. And we got header still in this div. So we don't need this header anymore. We can delete that and save. Just have nav bar right there. And we still do want this container. All right, so now we can check it out. Boom, that's what it should look like. That's what our listing page should look like. Okay, so now let's start adding things. Actually, no, we're gonna style our header here, our nav bar for our listings page. All right, so what we're gonna do is I wanna change up the logo, and I wanna put our red logo. Save, good, got our red logo there. And right beside here, so that we could style this a little differently, let's give it a class equals nav bar dot white. Nav bar white. Good, and save that. So now we can start styling. So let's go to the bottom of our style.css. Let me zoom in here. Bottom of our style.css. And we can start a new section, listing, page, styles. That's the great thing about an external style sheet, is we only need one. And just link it to the two. Okay, so now we're going to first go target our nav bar white. And we're going to give it a nice background of white. But we're going to give it a shadow so that it pops. Box, shadow. So here we got, this is the horizontal axis. So going left and right, and then this one is up and down, 5px. And then this blur radius, it's called. And then RGBA, parentheses. We can use this one that's saved, but just change the 3 to 05. Save. Now let's look at it. And boom, you see how it's popping some now? There, that looks sweet. Sweet. All right, so now let's go navbar white again. Paste. And then we want our nav links, LI and anchors. There we go. Now we want it color to be black so that we can see our words. Let's check it out. Boom, words are showing up. Skills, team, skills. Okay, now let's grab, let's grab the same thing. Oh, and we don't need a comma there. I think I just wrote that by accident. Okay, so copy this, paste, and let's go register button. And let's go background to be this color that we've been using. And then color white. Save. Nice. Clean look. Enter, enter. Again, we can paste that. Now we're going to go to, FA bars, which we'll use later, but this is for when it's a small screen. Now we want the bars, this color to be black. Later we'll see this style coming up in our styles. Okay, and now we want to clean up so our active, we're able to see it. Right now it is just white. We're gonna go dot active, and then let's go with our pseudo class after, and a background of this color. Boom, and so now it'll show that we're on the stays page. So if I go back and forth, it's white right here, boom, it's that like red pink right here. Skills. All right. All right, that is good. So now let's go back and let's add some content. That is good for our nav bar. Great job. So now let's add some content in here. Okay. So we're going to start off with creating a div. And it's going to be called list container. Our list container is going to consist of 2 columns. A left column. Oh, let me actually put left column. And let's okay. Let's go this, and a right column. Good. So we got our left column and our right column. Right now, we're going to focus on our left column. And inside of our left column, we're going to first do a paragraph. Show like 200 plus options. 200 plus options. Let's go in H1. Recommended places in Tampa. Good, and then now we're going to show our different recommended homes. So we're going to go house, and inside of house we got the image that we want to put. So house IMG. Inside of our house IMG, we want we're going to put a hashtag right here because we don't have that page yet. But now let's add an IMG tag, and we're going to go images, and we're going to do image S1, stay one, image stay one, right there. And let's delete this alt for this activity. Okay, under this div, we're gonna put a little bit of information of the house. So it's gonna be dot house info. Awesome. Inside the house info, we're gonna have a little first paragraph. Private villa in Tampa. H3 deluxe. Queen room with ocean views. You know people are going to want to stay there just by the words. Let's go 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Gotta have the Wi-Fi. And kitchen. Oops. /. Good. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Now let's give it a star rating. So remember, we've already put Font Awesome on here. Put an I. Give it a class. The class is going to be FA. Solid. And FA star. Skills. And then go ahead and copy this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-star rating. Let's mix up. Let's go 1, 2, 3 full stars. Over here, it's going to be, let's give it a half. Half stroke. And right here, let's do, instead of solid, do regular. And save. All right, let's check it out. There you go. So we got all of our 5 stars, full, half, and boom. Boom, boom, boom. Good, got a 200 plus days. Skills, very good job. Okay, so now, let's add house price. House price. And with the house price, doom, 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 doom. House price is going to be, let me see, Okay. Paragraph. Then we got 2 guests. And let's go H4 is going to be 112 inside the span. It's going to be per day. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so now what I want us to do, so as we can see, we got recommended places in Tampa, boom. Recommended places and house. So we're gonna do multiple houses. So to show our multiple listings, let's put a comment right here so that it's easy to break it up. Listing 1. So copy this comment, make sure it's above house, and oops, right here, above house, and let's go 3 divs down, right there. 3 divs. Leave this one, because this one closes our left column. All right, so copy and paste. Put 2 and go ahead and check it to make sure, yeah, perfect, you got the border. That means we did good. So 1, 2, 3, remember? Enter, paste. Enter, paste. This one was 3. This one was 4. Remember 1, 2, 3. This one's 5. Boom, and 6. So we can go 6 and 6. Oh, no, and 5. There we go. So now for each of these listings, we could change the picture just to make sure it's clean. Perfect. Got all the same picture. Let's change it up though. So we want the first one, S1. Next, let's go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sweet. There you go. And now our different stays. Looking good. That looks good. That looks great, team. Okay. Perfect. So now we can go ahead and start our styling.